The ZoneDirector is the centralized management system for a Ruckus network. Now, it's not actually required. You can run any of our access points in standalone mode, but if you want extra features like mesh, dynamic pre-shared key, zero IT, a number of other features, you'll want the ZoneDirector. The centralized management is worth it just in itself. Now, I'm holding the ZD1100 because the 3000 and the 5000 are too heavy for me to hold this long. So the ZD1100, again, all three of these actually have the same features. There's no feature set differences between these three different products. The only difference is how many access points they support. The ZD1100 is 50, the 3000 goes up to 500 APs, and the 5000 goes up to 1000 access points. Now, there's licensing differences as you work your way up, so you don't have to just jump all the way to the last one. The ZoneDirector is really recommended for any size network. Even if you have a few access points all the way up to a fully managed network, the ZoneDirector adds functionality. The interface is very, very clean. You've probably seen me or will see me in training videos for how to operate this device. The total videos, 0 to fully trained, are only about 4 hours. So it's a very simple device. It's very easy to learn. Keeps everything updated for firmware, all the versions the same, centralized management of all client devices and all access points. Now, one of the neat things about the ZoneDirector is the way the data flows. A lot of our competitors flow all the data from the access points to their centralized controller. Ours does not do that. All the data is what's called distributed forwarding. So the data comes right from the APs out to the network. But here's a cool thing. You can centralize it if you want. Let's say you want all your guest traffic to come through the ZoneDirector. Check one box and it's done. So you can tunnel when you want to, and you don't when you don't feel like doing that. So the ZoneDirector is highly recommended centralized management system for your Ruckus network.